Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA C31 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, open your phone dialer, then go to contacts if you are not in this panel, and go to the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Then click on edit icon, mark photo, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick something from my gallery, and it can be, for example, this picture. Now you can customize it however you like. You can rotate it, you can crop it. It's up to you. And tap on a save copy. Then click on save again. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to this contact, and anytime this personalized contact will be calling you, you will be able to see it at first in the picture, obviously. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.